Welcome to Geospatial channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to view historical imagery in Google Earth Pro. So you can find the tool over here. So it looks like a clock and you can find it show historical imagery. So that is the tool name. Now we just have to go back to the historical imagery and just find out how an area is being changed for the past 30 years or 50 years. So we just use Dubai as the location to find out the changes. I'm just typing Dubai and hitting search button. Now we're just going to the Dubai and just have a look at it, how it was looking in the year 1984 and how it is looking like now. So this is the present Dubai. You can see a few islands has been built near to the shore. So that is how it looks like. So now we are going to use this time slider, the historical imagery tool, and you could find the imagery from the year 1984 to the 2024. So this is the latest imagery 2022. So now we just go back to the time, and you could see here when I just slide it, you can see the changes happening in the imagery as well. So we just going back to the time, finding out some changes in Dubai. You could see the changes that has been happening over here. You could see the reduction in this island. So initially it was being built in. Now you could see the entire island has been missing over here. You can also see it over here. You can just check in. You can see the Palm Island. So it was previously there. You can just check in here. As we go back to the time, these islands is missing, and you can see here in 1993 there is no island present, man-made island present over here along the shores, and you can see the reduction in the settlements as well. So I am just going back to the 1984 imagery, and you could see the settlements is being restricted maybe around 4 kilometers from shoreline, 4 to 5 kilometers. So this is the 1984 imagery. So we just make it to the year 2007. You could see how much island has been created in the show, as well as you can see the increase in the built up area. Now I just go back to the year 2022, sorry 2020, the latest imagery. You could find new islands has been appearing over here. So likewise, as you can see over here, the settlements has also been increased, that you can't find in the year 1984. So it was previously it was a desert region. So likewise, you can browse the historical imagery in the Google Earth Pro using this tool. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.